used to make small, intricate cuts or curves on pieces of wood.
When using the bandsaw, there's a few important safety precautions to keep in mind.
Like wearing proper shoes.
Using proper eye protection.
Or pulling back your hair and taking off dangly jewelry.
Now we're ready to use the bandsaw!
To start the bandsaw, simply press this green button.
Can you guys help me find some wood?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks for helping me find this piece of wood.
Yeah, of course.
What's wrong?
I think someone used the bandsaw.
Improperly.
It's not starting.
Oh no. Well, who could it be?
We need a detective.
Did somebody say detective? Detective, you're here! So, what happened here?
Well, somebody used the bandsaw improperly, and now the blade's off the track.
You're wearing your glasses. Couldn't be you. You don't have dangly earrings. Couldn't be you. And you have the proper shoe wear, closed-toed shoes. Couldn't be any of you. You all got the rules. What's the big idea? A clue. What's the big idea here? Well, what do we have here? I see some safety violations here, sir. Dangly things, no eyewear, and no shoes at all. What is wrong with you? You got some explaining to do.
Kyle!
Kyle?
Kyle?
And I would have gotten away with it too if it weren't for you meddling kids and this detective.
Now I can properly show you how to use the bandsaw. First, you're going to take off anything dangly, such as necklaces and coats that might get in the way. Stop. All right, now we're ready to go. Now what you're going to do, you're going to turn it on by pressing this button. And then you're just going to guide it along until you get the desired shape. If you make any mistakes, just back up